Hello everyone, welcome back to a Richard Cut Professional. Today we're going to be learn something feather and combination layers. Before that, I'm just using TechniArt root shift volume. My client here has something pretty much thin and limped hair. Lifting up to the volume and roots has to be visible bouncy purpose. I'm just using with the root shift TechniArt root lift mouse. So let's get started for the haircut. So before that, I just want to be explaining very simple ways. This haircut is something going to be advanced level. She was expecting something like shoulder length hair, and top of that she want add more layers on back and the front also bangs. It's required to something falling down flexible and bouncy look, something makeover haircut kind of thing she got expected. So fringes also she is expecting shortened to which can be visible shoulder length hair and looks good, clean and neat as well. So that's the regard. I just picked this haircut. Top portion I got separated and the crown section I just took with as separating section both the sides. The bottom, the hairlines, the ear to ear hairlines were very weak, so that's the regard. I want to be add something more thickness and volume on the top, and the side things I'm just combining with both the sides and front feather layers and the back over direction layers as well. So you might can just see that accordingly after start to the section step by step, each and everything going to be explained very clean and neat. And rest of behind this one section I'm separating. After comb also I'm explaining you guys. So back completely I'm just taking as pivoting sections and overall the hair 90 degree. And before that I just started to one length basic haircut. After that the side section also I'm just taking as back something like long bob haircut one, which can be take back portions to be completely over directing one length. So after that I pick from center profile, exactly adding all the hair in 90 degree layers, distribute with something like triangle. So each and every haircut was small techniques are using with something different way because of haircut combinations might has to be changed, and every haircut we are combining according to the hair texture and shape, and according hair length as well we will be decide on the haircut needs. So completely we just take to that something like pizza technique of sections overall. Even side portion also got finished. I come to another side. Even that side too I'm using same technique and just taking back overall the hair. After that I come to crown portion. Both the sides I got released. After that I pick center profile. I take a guideline as exactly crown portion. I'm just sharing you guys. Doing with all the hair layers diagonal back. Why? Because the crown layers I want to save and length also want to save. I'm just giving slightly little bit of over each and every hair sections. I'm taking exactly center of the crown. After that I'm cross checking. Now after that I'm just take all hair, the weakened hair, I'm just converting in the feather layers. Why not all? Why only picking to a weak hair converting in the feathers? Because length was very, shoulder length is there for. If I reduce too much of the length from the front, it will be going to collapse complete up. I need to balance both the sides. Whatever I just pick back over directing layer, and rest of the part I'm just adding the front layers like feather layers. So got finished. Now I come to fringe. Exactly pick from center profile and diagonal forward. I just take rest of the hair converting a layers come fringes. Messy look before styling. After that I'm just doing a blow dry. So which makes something clean and neat finishing and perfect blow dry. After that I come side portion. I come to another side. I come to crown portion. This is my final look. Hope you all understand and coming like ultimate bouncy layers overall. The moment you can just see in the front face, it's combination of layers and looking so pretty, and length got saved and every hair is come so voluminous, and from the roots you can just see and too much of volume and looking so shiny on the hair. That is called a miracle of TechniArt root shoot blow right products. So hope you all understand the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every time you will be get updated notifications. After complete of the styling, I'm just going to do texture on top of that, because all the hair combination things I need to be checked back properly, and looking so feather movements also in the front, and the crown visible was pretty much volume, and everything is combination are suiting very well, and it will existing parts are comes out very completely flexible, outstanding look overall. After that is going to finishing texture, and two sides got finished, and I come to back portion. Now each and every time crown portion I'm going to separate with accordingly with the kind of combination, like because the top portion shouldn't be blend in the side basis. The crown portion is almost, it will be cutted by the different part, and if you merge with the side portion it will be going to blend with very different way, so you may get confused. So when you will do the combination layers, you can just separate on the crown portion and the texturing techniques. And this is my final look. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and we'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe, and hope you all are enjoyed the video. And let me know for more details and questions. If you have any requirements, please update to me by the comments. I'll definitely answer with your comments. Until we'll be meet up to the next time. Till then, take care and be safe.